Eaton Bussmann Series PTSA Resettable PPTC fuses provide consistent and repeatable overcurrent protection while reducing the need for replacement of one-time fuses. PTSA fuses are offered in 4 different surface mount footprints from 0805 up to 1812. The series includes options with hold currents from 100 mA to 2.6 amps, and they have a fast time to trip, providing designers the flexibility to address various circuit protection needs. The fuses meet AEC Q200 qualifications for use in automotive applications and are rated for up to 85 degrees Celsius, while the PTSAHT series are rated for up to 125 degrees Celsius. All PTSA fuses feature low resistance for reduced power dissipation and have voltage ratings above 16 volts to address typical requirements in infotainment, telematics, lighting, body control, and other automotive applications.